Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to the garden. Today we're going to make another cut flower arrangement. Things are kind of in flux right now. We've had a lot of rainy weather for the past almost 3 weeks now. It's been raining. So the garden's kind of a state of disarray, but we're going to do our best to find something to make a bouquet with. So we are going to start off with our Larkspur. For this one we're going to do something that's kind of just soft and pastel and gorgeous. And I started out with a Larkspur. I'm using these pinks, the light pink and also the light kind of lavender, soft lavender pastel color. And I am just going to pick those. The Larkspur are almost finished here in the yard just because they've been getting rained on so much. But I think we're going to have a couple more nice arrangements of those before they are done. After I picked the Larkspur, I just put those into my vase and kind of just arranged them around. Then I headed back to the garden to look and see what else I had available for arrangement, and we had our Scabiosa pincushion flowers. These have just started to bloom. We planted these back in the fall, and now they are blooming. The colors I am going to be using for this arrangement are the white and the really light kind of blue, pastel blue, lavender color. This mix was from Johnny's Seeds. It's the Johnny's Scabiosa mix. There are also some other really nice colors in this, like pink and burgundy, that are really lovely, but we're going to stick with blue and white for this arrangement. After I did that, I just kind of arranged those into my vase, and I was kind of just looking around like, I need something else. I need some more texture, I need some more color, so I went and I grabbed some Ben Aries Giant Lilac Zinnias. The lilac in these zinnias really works well with the kind of more purple hues, purple pink hues of the Larkspur. I think it's nice and complementary. Really not much diversity in the garden right now because things are kind of in transition, especially with the zinnias just now starting to bloom. Last but not least, I felt like these needed something else to go in this arrangement to add kind of a different texture to this, so I picked some heirloom petunias. Now, I have very little experience using petunias as cut flowers. This vase was definitely very much a trial for me, and these cut petunias lasted about 3 days. They looked really nice for about 3 days, and even some of the closed blooms started to open in the water. So I think using petunias as cut flowers is definitely something that I am going to continue to experiment with here in my yard. I think they have some real potential, especially these open pollinated ones. Overall, I think this one turned out pretty nicely, and I hope you like it. It's about it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. I always love to hear from you guys. I try to answer them as frequently as possible. Sometimes it takes a little longer, sometimes it's sooner, depending upon how busy I am and all that good stuff. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you. I hope that you guys are having an amazing day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye guys.